To deposit a check with the U.S. Bank mobile app, start by opening the app on your mobile device and signing in with your username and password. Once you are logged in, navigate to the menu and select the mobile deposit option. Before you begin, ensure your check is endorsed with your signature and includes the account number you want to deposit the funds into. You will also need to have a valid checking or savings account with U.S. Bank. Next, select the account you want to deposit the check into and enter the check amount. Make sure to double-check the amount to avoid any errors. Now, take a picture of the front and back of the check using your mobile device's camera. The app will guide you through the process, ensuring the images are clear and meet the requirements. After capturing the images, review the deposit details to ensure everything is correct. If all the information is accurate, confirm the deposit. The funds will be deposited into your account, subject to the bank's deposit policies and availability. It is essential to keep the check safe for a few days after depositing, in case any issues arise. After the funds have been successfully deposited and you have verified the transaction, you can safely void the check and dispose of it. By following these steps, you can easily deposit a check using the U.S. Bank mobile app, saving you time and providing a convenient way to manage your finances on the go. Always remember to monitor your account activity and report any discrepancies to the bank immediately.